I don't know anything about Daxigou, but I'm just jumping out of this train because there's just a lot of cool stuff in Chongqing, and I can't let it go by without seeing what it's all about. So look at this, there's a train coming out of the line right now, so I'm going to capture that. And we have these beautiful views. So what I'm going to do in this particular one is I just want to look and see what everything's all about around here. Just like a random station, because check this out. Like, you got the waterfront down there, you have the train lines there, you got a bridge there, and this is one of many bridges. This is just following this train line down, and there's like cool stuff over on the other side. I don't know what that is, and I'd like to know what that is as well. And then you got apartment buildings over here. So I don't know what to think, but I know it's pretty interesting, and I know I kind of want to just walk around somewhere that's not even a tourist area and just see what it's all about. And this is Chongqing. Chongqing, we got another one for you. This one is Daxigou Station. I might be mispronouncing that, maybe. But this one is, Chongqing is just filled with really cool stuff. This is right on the train line, and it overlooks the ocean as well, as some of the train lines do. And this one is no exception, because Chongqing's a pretty cool city with a lot of cool stuff. So we're going to be starting at the train station itself. It's elevated, and you can see all that in the preview. And then I'm going to go down and explore kind of underneath it, and kind of meandering through the neighborhood. So that's what this one's all about. So you can get another slice of Chongqing. We also got some music. I'll put the music up so you can see the lyrics. And now we're going to get right into the walk and talk. So I'm going to be walking around the camera, and you can accompany me as if you were there yourself. Okay, let's check it out. Chongqing. Daxigou. You guys are right next to the train station. You can get anywhere you want really easily. Hope you appreciate that. And here comes the train. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of here, see what's around here in Daxigou, and try to get to know Chongqing in a little bit of a different way. So the train line we're in, we're still on the peninsula. That's Daxigou, and we're going to attempt to go down and see what we can see around this station right here. And it says the Riverside Road, so I guess we're going to walk down the Riverside Road maybe. Let's just kind of see what we can see. Well, there's one thing I can see right there. So I don't know if the Riverside Road would be interesting or not, but I guess we'll find out. So this kind of come out right now and just kind of see. So it looks like Jiabin Road, and then it kind of comes out to this space in here. I think they're doing a... So I think what we're going to do is maybe walk... We can go down to the Riverside Road, but I think what we're going to do... That's kind of cool. So I think what we're going to do... I think we could actually walk down that way, but I think I'm going to go down one more and just kind of see what we can see by going down exit 2. So I think this might be the backside and not a main road, but more of a plaza. So let's check that out one more. Check this out, they got all these sandbags for flooding, because I think in this area there could be a chance of flooding from the river. So let me see. Okay, so I guess if we go down that way, we're going to be going down... It's like a tour group right here. And it looks like we could walk across over there, or we can go down this way. They both look equally interesting. I don't know if there's a wrong answer, but I know that this looks kind of interesting for me to see this side, where that side would be equally interesting. But at a certain point, all I would see is traffic. And check out these apartments up there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is walk down River Road. Here comes the train right there. And we'll show you what it's like as we continue down. So stay tuned for that. More trains coming through. It's funny because that one, I did another video just recently where I went to that famous one where they go through the building, but the train station isn't much different than going through a building. like when you're inside, it kind of has the same feeling. It just happens to be a train station with all of the that's nice, beautiful windows right there. Just happens to be a train station with office buildings in it. But anyways, trains going in there kind of have a similar look. But that other one is famous. The other one's a tourist attraction. This is just a train line going into a train station. Okay, let's continue down our road. Yeah, I just did that. Okay, this kind of typical Chongqing stuff. But check out those beautiful windows. That's amazing windows. And then you got that great view of the water, and then they're right next to a station too, so it's kind of got great views all the way around. Chongqing, there's no shortage of great views and kind of cool stuff everywhere. And we're just going to go down the River Street? Well, we'll label it accordingly anyway, so you'll know what it is. Chugga 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 chug chug. That's a cool tree. Now I'm just kind of filming everything, but actually that is what captures the essence of the city. You know, a lot of YouTubers, they just film, you know, something kind of simple and they move on quick to another thing, or they got the camera facing them the entire time. So it's nice to be, you know, you're the one that's looking at it, and as you walk you kind of notice stuff like this, like all these trees with the white, the views that you might look over. So, you know, it's the value. Little bamboo paintings on this electric box and a bird. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're going to continue down. We have this kind of funny, they even put flowers over there as well on the Riverwalk side. Probably should be over there, especially since I don't know how I'm going to cross the street here. Let's start that one out. Well, that looks like that's going to be the ending of this particular one, because I won't be able to get across that street. But I would like to kind of go over to the other side, but I have to go all the way back to the train station and do it like that, because there's no way to get straight across this way on this side of the street, unfortunately. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that one. And that was the street that was labeled accordingly, as you can see down below. Hi. Hello. Thank you. That's a nice ending. Some Chongqing people are really lovely, actually. Actually, it's kind of cool because this woman is eating noodles right there as well. Kind of a lovely Chongqing scene. So, okay, so I guess on that note, I'm going to officially end it. I'm going to try to figure out a way to maybe get over there if I can. So that'll be the end of this particular one.